Vande Mataram, dear students. One more time with new poem. I will sir welcome you all in our school YouTube channel. Okay. So, dear students, today we are going to learn this poem that name is What If. Okay. Let's know about this What If poem. What is it saying? What is it telling about it? Let's know about this. Okay. So before reading the chapter, let's know about this poem. Are this are there times when your mind fills with fear? Have you ever thought, what if something dangerous happened to me or the people around me? What if the world stops revolving around the sun? What if the sun does not rise in the morning? Here is a poem which talks about some more such as what ifs. Means before the poetry there are few lines that is telling to you that completely few times you think about many kind of what ifs because you are furious, you are fearful to take about that happenings, that may it be happen, it should not be happen, but if it will happen then what would I do or what would I do? Okay, so let's know about this chapter. Last night while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ear. When the poet was laid down about to sleep, then few kind of what ifs were crawling inside his ear, and pranced and partied all night long and sang their same old what if song. He entire the night he was thinking only about that what ifs, that which kind of what ifs were crawling in poet's ear. Let's know what was he thinking about, which kind of what ifs he was thinking and thinking again and again. Let's know about that. What if I'm dumb in school? If I would be dumb in school, then what happen? What if they close the swimming pool? If my school teachers and won't allow, if my parents won't allow to give me to let me go to take swim in swimming pool, then what happen? What if I get beat up? If someone beat me, then what happen? If someone will be, then what happen? What if there's poison in my cup? If someone will mix poison in my food, in my the things that I have sometimes, then what will happen there? What if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? Oh, if I will get sick, if I will sick, and after that if I'll die, then what happen? What if about this? Okay, what if I flunk that test? What if green hair grows on my chest? That is very much odd and completely whatever is thinking, just he is thinking about that what ifs, that what will happen, it is being possible. Okay, so what if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? What if I flunk that test? What if green hair grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? If nobody likes me, then what will I do? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? And what happen when a bolt of light means when lightning happening, when with rain there's lightning in the sky, then such kind of lightning he's talking about, and he's saying that completely what will happen if such kind of a bolt of light will strike on me. What if I don't grow taller? If I will be only dwarf, I won't grow, then what will happen? What if my head starts getting smaller, and if my head that is enough grown, but if it won't grow and it will be lesser and it will not grow? What if my head starts getting smaller? It will start to get small. What if the fish won't bite? If fish won't bite, then what will happen? What if the wind tears up my kite? What will happen if we that wind in which I am flying that kite, if it will tear my kite, then what will happen? What if they start a war? If there would be everywhere war, then what will happen? What if my parents get divorced? And he is thinking about this also, that what will happen if my parents will be separated, getting divorced? What if the bus is late? What will happen if my school bus is late, or somewhat times when I'm going to travel, then that bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? And he is even thinking about this history, that completely what will happen when his teeth won't grow straight? Okay, what if I tear my pants, and what will happen if I myself is tearing my plate? Okay, what if I never learn to dance? What will happen if I want to be able to dance? properly or in good manner. Everything seems well, and then the night time what if strikes again, and at last, in last two lines, he is describing that such kind of what ifs is continuously streaming, continually is growing in his mind, and again he is thinking about it. And it is because he is so much sad, he is so much worried about these what ifs. So, dear students, this was the explanation of this poem, What If, in which we learnt many kind of what ifs. You must also will be thinking about these kind of what ifs. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubt, if you have any kind of problem regarding any kind of word, particularly words, then you can send message on my WhatsApp number, or you can put message on our school YouTube channel. Okay, so please take care of yourself. Hope we will meet soon if government will allow you to go school. Take care. Bande Mataram.